Now, I would like to call to the stage the Managing Director of the Blavatnik Interdisciplinary Cyber Research Center and the Managing Director of the Yuval Ne'eman Workshop, Gili Drob-Heistein.
Thank you, Manny. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to welcome you to the second day of the MEN plenary and the final day of Cyberweek 2018. The excitement will continue today with another lineup of amazing speakers. Don't forget that immediately following the MEN plenary, we will be hosting the blockchain event in this venue. I'm pleased to announce the Cyberweek 2019 will take place from June 23rd until the 27th. We look forward to seeing you all there. I would like to take this opportunity to once again thank the amazing Cyberweek team, our sponsors, partners, speakers, and everyone who took the time out of their busy calendars to be here. I hope you continue to enjoy the day. And now, before I invite Major General Professor Isaac Ben Israel to the stage, I would like to share with you a short clip of Tel Aviv University. Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome to Tel Aviv. Welcome to always hectic, always in a rush, always in between. Welcome to boisterous, to changing quickly, to fast mode. Welcome to the mighty kingdom of improvisation, the global power of overusing duct tape. Welcome to shortcuts, to hustle, to chutzpah. And hell yeah, welcome to Balagan. To a place where things aren't done by the book, and manuals are nothing more than a recommendation. Welcome to a city where boxes are unnecessary, since everyone thinks outside of them. So, welcome. Welcome to Let's Do Something Different. To Let's Invent It All Over Again. To Eureka. Welcome to the city. No, not the city. To the capital of big ideas. Ideas that create new thrilling horizons. Welcome to Tel Aviv University's Changemakers Club. And thank you for being a spark that lights our fire, that feeds those brand new ideas that are changing our world. Welcome to Pursuing the Unknown. Be part of the next big idea. Welcome to Tel Aviv University.
Good morning. I don't know how many of you got this word balagan in the clip that we've just saw. Welcome to Balagan. It's a very hard word to be translated, something like ordered chaos, something that looks chaotic, but we can manage if you improvise enough. I think it's a good, if I could translate it, it would be a good slogan for Tel Aviv University generally and for cyber issues specifically. Now, the only reason I went up to this stage now is, is it working now? Okay, this time. Yesterday I failed in thanking all these wonderful, mainly girls. There are also few boys here, and forgive me for calling them girls and boys at my age. The wonderful team that really did everything that you can imagine in order to have this Cyber Week conference. Of course, Gili, that you've already heard, and Revital, and Ronnie, and Liana, and Rotem, and Karen, and Alice, and all the others. There should be another page, by the way, no? I think there is more, but okay. These are the principal ones, and everything that you experienced during this week, that today we are in the last day of this conference, everything, if you have any complaints, please come to me. If you have any praise, it's because of them. Thank you very much.